All right, so we're continuing backtesting on gold. After last session, got these trades. So let's just get started. I'll clear the charts, clear chart, and so this is. I remember when this happened. This was pretty recent. So we're getting pretty close to the end of the session. The backtesting session because coming up to now, but yeah. So let's just mark out these things. We see market structure broken even though there's a large gap here. Um, yeah, so honestly, yeah, we don't see much of anything. I mean, we have this zone down here we could look for first to tap back into, I guess. We see a close of the um, gap, but we do have some low resistance liquidity here and even some more down here. If we scale down more, there's a bunch down here. Down here. How do I copy on this? Down here. So yeah, let's just see how the markets play out. Go 1 minute. So the market's opened. We also have a bunch of liquidity stacked up here as well. Could also see price trending today. Also have some area of demand right here that we can see price tap back into, then push up. We'll see what price does. So see price tap back into this area. See if we could see a closure above or something. So we see wicks. See a close above. Also see price take out liquidity right here. I'm gonna enter here. TP or stop loss below this area right here. Because we could see price sweep more liquidity, but I think this is a good enough sweep right here and then tap back into the supply zone or demand zone. So a little less. Alright, there. Okay, we see a break of structure now. 1 minute. Some 5 minute. We also see a break of structure right here. So we are looking pretty good for this trade. Trade takes out this candlestick takes out some liquidity here as well. And got to this area and we don't really close above it. Just wick above. Now we see price sweep basically all of this liquidity up here. What time is it? It's 10:40. I'm gonna just stay in this trade, just see how price plays out. Okay, we see price hit our TP. I was a little bit of a rocky trade, especially when it got to down here. Pretty rocky. I was a little nervous, but we do see this area, this demand zone hold, and price continues pushing up. So, pretty good trade. Yeah, let's fast forward to the next session. Okay, so I kind of zoomed past the other session, but this is the next session we're in. Just remove all the drawings. All right, so let's just 1 hour. Let's see what's happening. Just pure market structure. We're not gonna see this gap close. Hindsight, we already knew that, but Let's see, what do we have here? We have this area of demand down here that price already mitigated. So seeing price tap back into it, we could see another push up, or we could see this not hold. But I'm pretty confident we'll see another push up, considering there was also liquidity down here. The price was probably seeking even more down here. Some low resistance liquidity. We also have some up here that we could see price seek, and also price really create equal highs. Yeah, so on the 15-minute, see prices tap into here, strong push up. So I'm probably now looking for just a pullback for entry. It's very sweet the liquidity, so I'm just looking for a pullback and then I'll enter. I want to be on the 30-minute. Okay, we see a pullback on the 1 minute. What does that look like? Looks like a sweep of liquidity right here. And it really tapped into kind of taps into this, I guess, demand zone right here. Taps into that. Let's see a pretty good closure. And target up here, this buy side liquidity. And enter for a buy. Increase all that. Good. Alright. Price moves. Let's see price. Okay, so we got stopped out here. See price sweep this liquidity and just slam down. So let's see what price does. Price comes back down again. If we see a closure above this, I'm probably looking for a buy. Oh, let me just go out. So should we even be looking for buys? I mean, internal structure is pretty bullish. See, we do see breaks of these lows, but I wouldn't really consider until we break this low right here. So I'll enter again. We have a Fibonacci here as well, just on the lower time frame, but I'll enter again off the confidence that price is gonna push up. Probably should have had our stop loss below that area, but that was before 9:30, so we wouldn't have entered at that time. But I'll enter again with a better risk reward as well. Stop loss right there. Be all the way up here. And see price tap back down. That's Fibonacci. Okay, so we're just seeing price just slam all the way down. I'll probably just stop trading now just to see what price does. Got pretty chopped up. Let's see how price moves now. The price is trading lower and lower. Let's go to the next session then. Okay. I mean, we could have been looking for sells as well. off of this, but really didn't align with the market structure, I'd say. Because on the higher time frame, I'm looking for buys, right? This is just bullish market structure. We swept liquidity already. Came down, tapped back into this demand zone. Or you could even have it right here as well. Price strong push up. Enter right there. I'm not mad at that trade. It was a good trade, in my opinion. Let's see. Okay. Stock 45 on this one. Let's move this up the way. Scale out. So we see price pull back even more, but now we see market structure shift to bullish. So indicating the pullback is probably over now. And where do we see liquidity? So that's right here. And we already swept up here, so next we could be looking for probably just all the way up here. So 940, oh, 955, okay. $136. All of this, we're looking for a pullback now. Probably off of this Fibonacci, we could look for an entry. Okay, off this strong wick. See, yeah. Okay, I'll enter here. TP probably just negative 61.8. Actually, I'll have it up. Yeah, I'll have it at negative 61.8. Let's move this up a little bit. Okay, so price hits TP. And I'm probably gonna see price tap even farther, yeah. So let's go to Friday. Okay. Let's see. Did I pass it already? No, I didn't. It's all the way over here. Okay. Let's do 4 hour 1, 2. Okay. Hold on, let me see if I can fix this. Okay, I'm pretty sure I fixed it. I fixed the range, so we should be good now. Let's see. It was the date range that was messed up because when I started this, it wasn't Friday, so yeah. Let's see. I don't know, 1 minute with that. Okay, so I think 2 more should be good. 1. Okay. 2. Okay, 1 more. Not. Okay, I got here. Let's go on the 10 minute. We can see on the 1 minute now. All right, let's get our charts and see what the price is doing. So obvious bullish trend. We see price push up right here. Boom. Breakout structure. We see a pullback, and now on the lower time frame, we're probably seeing the end of that pullback because we're seeing structure shift bullish. So this supply and demand area, price tapped back into already. So this more confirmation, also liquidity up here. Not really looking for price to go all the way down here, but if we do see price go all the way down here, probably looking for price to tap back into that area before pushing back up. So yeah. As for the lower time frame, we do have liquidity stack or stack liquid low resistance liquidity like right here. Boom. and some right here. But I am looking for price to probably seek this and then push up. So what time is it? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. On the 5-minute, let's see how price plays out. Let's see price push up a little bit. And okay, so we see price. Okay, I'm probably gonna enter here. We see this Fibonacci. Dang. Probably not. You kind of missed it unless price pulls down a little bit. Yeah. You kind of see another one as well. Yeah, price is barely tapping below this discounted range and pushing up. So I'm gonna enter right here. TP right here. Alright, let's see how price plays. Almost got stopped out. Yeah, that was scary. Very close to getting stopped out. See price slam down again. Let's enter again off of this Fibonacci right here. See price tap into this 50%. Strong push up. Let's see. Okay, we see another push up. Enter right here. T stop loss right there. Probably just aim for a 1 to 3. Space 1 to 3. Enter again. So okay, we're seeing price just slam. Oh my gosh. Okay, both TPs hit, and that's the end of the session. They say trading session. So let's see our statistics. Oops. I want that. Let's see. So we had a win rate of, hold on. Win rate of 61%. Average 1 to 3. Expected to win at least 8K and lose 2K every trade. I think that's what that means. Yeah. Had 8 winners, 5 losers. Our worst loss was 6%, and our best win was 21%. Average win 11, average loss 4. This is not sustainable. I would 100% lower what I'm risking. Took more buys than sells. And our win rate on sells was 100%, and our win rate on buys was 50. That's very interesting. That's very interesting. Only traded New York, of course. And money stealers. I see how it is. All right, drawdown. We were in drawdown a bit. Peak drawdown, 8%. Well, okay. Let's see the other simulation. All right. Oh yeah, that's basically it. We see the trades here. I don't know if we could see the. Okay, I guess not. But yeah, that was basically it. On Wednesdays, we tend to lose. Interesting. I do find it interesting that 73 trades taken. Oh, that must have been on my other. So I had a different back session. I was just spamming buttons. I got bored. But yeah, on this one we did pretty good. We did really, really good. These numbers are not not accurate at all. And real trading, it's not gonna be looking like this. Let's go to the chart real quick. I do find it interesting that our sells were more, or we had better chances with our sells than our buys. That was very interesting to me, or is very interesting to me. But yeah, that's basically it. So yeah.